Are you taking magnesium for your stiff joints and wondering why the pain is still there? Stop assuming it's the only mineral you need. While magnesium is essential for muscles, it often fails to fix the structural damage inside the joint itself. Most seniors don't realize this until they've spent hundreds on supplements that don't address the root cause of their arthritis. But here's the good news. There are 3 forgotten minerals that act like oil for your rusty hinges, and science proves they work better than some prescription painkillers. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and today I'll show you 3 nutrients that unlock stiffness and rebuild joint comfort after 60. What you learn in the next 13 minutes could give you back the activities you thought were gone forever. Before we dive in, I'd love to know where you're watching from today and what's your age. Drop your location and age in the comments below. It helps me create content that truly serves you. Today I'm covering 3 specific solutions. First, the boron breakthrough. Second, the sulfur signal with MSM. Third, the niacinamide effect. These aren't random supplements I pulled from nowhere. Research from institutions around the world proved these specific nutrients reduced osteoarthritis pain and increased mobility significantly in seniors. But here's what surprised me. Most seniors never use these because they don't know the critical details that actually make them work. That's what I'm going to reveal today. Let's start with solution number 1, the boron breakthrough. You need the trace mineral supplement boron or calcium fructoborate. You'll take this with breakfast. Here's why I'm recommending this specific version and not just eating apples or other boron-rich foods. Modern soil is depleted, and you would need to eat 100 apples to get the therapeutic dose found in the studies. That's the detail most seniors miss. Here's why boron works. At your age, your bones and joints lose the ability to hold on to calcium and magnesium. Boron acts like the cement that holds these bricks in place. Without it, the minerals just wash out through your urine. Researchers comparing regions with high boron intake to low boron intake found a startling difference. In areas where people consumed 3 to 10 milligrams of boron daily, the incidence of arthritis was near 0 compared to up to 70% in low boron areas. A pilot study showed that 6 milligrams of boron daily reduced symptoms of osteoarthritis in 80% of participants. This means a tiny amount of this mineral can turn off the rusting process in your joints. And here's what surprised researchers. The bones of patients using boron were physically harder to cut during surgery than those who didn't. The mineral was actually strengthening the bone structure from the inside out. Here's exactly how to do this, and this is the critical part. You'll need a boron supplement, often labeled as triple boron complex or calcium fructoborate. If you're at the store, look for a 3 milligram or 6 milligram dose. Take 1 3 milligram capsule in the morning with food. If you tolerate it well, you can increase to 6 milligrams after 2 weeks. Stay consistent and do this daily. You'll notice less creaking in your knees within 5 to 7 days. After 8 weeks, studies showed significantly improved joint flexibility. Now here's what most people get wrong. If you take huge doses like 20 milligrams thinking more is better, you can upset your hormones. You must stick to the safe 3 to 6 milligram window. I've seen people get headaches from overdosing, but it works when you respect the dose. My patient George, 73, came to me unable to hold his gardening shears because of finger pain. I told him to try the 6 milligram boron protocol. He was skeptical. "I've never even heard of this mineral," he said. I asked him to test it for 1 month. After 1 week, he said the throbbing had stopped. After 1 month, he was back in his garden pruning roses without pain. He told me something I'll never forget. He said, "I thought my gardening days were over, but they were just on pause." That's when I knew this wasn't just about reducing inflammation markers. It was about giving people their lives back. 3 critical mistakes to avoid with boron. Mistake 1, taking it on an empty stomach. It can cause mild nausea, so always take it with food. Mistake 2, confusing it with boric acid powder. Never consume the cleaning product. Buy the supplement form only. Mistake 3, stopping after 3 days. While some feel relief early, the bone-hardening benefits take weeks. Get these right and the benefits show up. Get them wrong and you'll be frustrated and think nothing works. Let's move to solution number 2, MSM, which stands for methyl sulfonyl methane. This is organic sulfur, not a drug. You'll take this powder or capsule with lunch. Here's why I'm telling you this specific version and not just eating eggs. While eggs have sulfur, MSM provides a biologically active form that directly targets inflammation in the joint capsule. That's the detail most seniors miss. Here's why MSM works. At your age, the connective tissue in your joints becomes brittle because it lacks sulfur bonds. MSM donates sulfur to repair these bonds, making the tissue flexible again. Think of it like soaking a dried-out sponge in water. It becomes soft and pliable again. A double-blind study involving 100 adults with hip or knee osteoarthritis found that those taking MSM for 26 weeks reported significant improvement in pain and physical function compared to placebo. The dosage was key. They used higher doses than usually found in multivitamins. This means you can literally soften the stiffness from the inside out. And here's what surprised researchers. The MSM group also reported better energy levels, not just pain reduction. Here's exactly how to do this, and this is the critical part. You'll need pure MSM crystals or capsules. Look for OptiMSM or a purity-tested brand. Start with 1,000 milligrams, which is 1 gram, per day to let your stomach adjust. Over 2 weeks, build up to 3,000 milligrams per day taken in divided doses at breakfast and lunch. Drink plenty of water. Do this daily. You'll notice your morning stiffness lasting fewer minutes within 2 weeks. After 12 weeks, the pain reduction is clinically significant. Now here's what most people get wrong. If you start with the full 3,000 milligram dose on day 1, you might get bloating or diarrhea. Your body needs to get used to the sulfur. I've seen people quit because of gas, but it works when you ramp up slowly. My patient Martha, 68, came to me needing a cane to walk down her front steps. I told her to add MSM to her routine. She was skeptical. Another pill? She sighed. I asked her to test it for 3 months. After 3 weeks, she walked to the mailbox without the cane. After 3 months, she joined a walking club. She told me something I'll never forget. She said, "I feel like my knees have shock absorbers again." That's when I knew this wasn't just about cartilage regeneration. It was about restoring independence. 3 critical mistakes to avoid with MSM. Mistake 1, taking it right before bed. It can give you too much energy and keep you awake. Take it in the morning and afternoon only. Mistake 2, using a cream only. Topical is okay, but internal supplementation works on the whole system. Mistake 3, not drinking water. Sulfur helps detoxify and you need water to flush it out. Get these right and the benefits show up. Get them wrong and you'll be frustrated. Let's look at solution number 3, niacinamide, which is vitamin B3. Not niacin, which causes flushing. You need the amide form. You'll take this in divided doses throughout the day. Here's why I'm telling you this specific version and not a standard B complex. Niacinamide specifically targets the inflammation pathways in arthritis without the uncomfortable hot flash skin flush of regular niacin. That's the detail most seniors miss. Here's why niacinamide works. At your age, joint inflammation restricts blood flow, starving the cartilage of nutrients it needs to repair itself. Niacinamide improves joint mobility by reducing inflammation and allowing blood to return to the joint space. A pilot study published in 1996 found that subjects on niacinamide improved their global arthritis impact by 29% and increased joint mobility significantly compared to placebo. More recent animal studies confirm it reduces inflammation markers. This means it feeds the starving joint. And here's what surprised researchers. Patients could reduce their standard painkillers by 13% while on this vitamin. Here's exactly how to do this, and this is the critical part. You'll need 500 milligram capsules of niacinamide. If you're at the store, double-check the label says niacinamide, not nicotinic acid. Take one 500 milligram capsule 3 times a day, morning, noon, and night. The short half-life means you need to keep it in your system throughout the day. Stick with it consistently. Watch your liver enzymes if you have liver issues, but 1,500 milligrams is generally the safe study dose. Do this daily. You'll notice better range of motion within 4 to 12 weeks. After 3 months, the locking sensation often disappears. Now here's what most people get wrong. If you just take 1 pill a day, it clears your system too fast to work on the joints. You must space it out into 3 doses. I've seen people say it didn't work because they took it once daily, but it works when you divide the dose. My patient, Albert, 80, came to me unable to turn his head while driving because of neck arthritis. I told him to try the niacinamide protocol. He was skeptical. A B vitamin for pain, he asked. I asked him to test it for 12 weeks. After 6 weeks, he could turn his head 45 degrees. After 12 weeks, he passed his driving renewal test easily. He told me something I'll never forget. He said, "I feel safer on the road now." That's when I knew this wasn't just about inflammation reduction. It was about maintaining independence and dignity. 3 critical mistakes to avoid with niacinamide. Mistake 1. Buying niacin by mistake. You will turn beet red and itch uncontrollably. Always verify it says niacinamide. Mistake 2. Taking it all at once. It won't last in your blood long enough. Mistake 3. Ignoring liver health. If you have liver disease, consult your doctor first, as high doses can stress the liver. Get these right, and the benefits show up. Here's how to put this all together into a daily routine, and here's why consistency matters more than perfection. In the morning with breakfast, take your 3 to 6 milligram boron capsule and your first 500 milligram niacinamide. With lunch, take your 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams of MSM and your second 500 milligram niacinamide. With dinner, take your third 500 milligram niacinamide. That's it. 3 strategic nutrients spread through the day. Most seniors skip the midday dose thinking morning is enough. That's a mistake. The MSM and niacinamide need to be replenished to keep the inflammation down all day. When you combine the structural cement of boron, the softening power of MSM, and the flow-enhancing niacinamide, the difference is remarkable. Within 1 week, the edge comes off the pain. After 3 months, you move like a different person. The key is consistency. Don't skip days and expect the same results. Let me recap what we covered today. Number 1, boron 3 to 6 milligrams daily. This works because it hardens bones and prevents the loss of magnesium and calcium from your joints. Number 2, MSM 1 to 3 grams daily. This donates sulfur to repair brittle joint tissue and reduce pain. Number 3, niacinamide 1.5 grams divided into 3 doses. This opens blood flow and reduces inflammation without the uncomfortable flush. These 3 nutrients work together to rebuild, soften, and nourish the joint from the inside out. I've been in medical practice for over 20 years, helping seniors with exactly these issues. I've seen these strategies work for thousands of patients. And I've also seen what happens when someone waits too long to start. You deserve to feel flexible, mobile, and free from pain at any age. Start with the boron. It's small, affordable, and easy to find. Once you feel the first results, you'll want to add the others. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone over 60 who's struggling with joint pain. Subscribe to Dr. Emily Carter for more evidence-based health tips designed specifically for those over 60. Drop a comment below and tell me which joint gives you the most trouble. I read every comment, and your story matters. Until next time, stay active, stay informed, and remember that your health is your greatest wealth. This is Dr. Emily Carter signing off. Stay strong. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have liver disease or take medications.